Hello, this project is about a chatbot built on WhatsApp. So for this to work, it's connected to a form. So I'm collecting the form's information with a hook to my website. So once I execute, then I go to fill the form. So it means before any user or before anyone can access the chatbots, they have to go through a form. So let's fill up this and say hello. So once the form is filled, then it triggers this and it sends a WhatsApp message to me about the form. So this is the message. Hi Kylie Daniel, thank you for signing up. It's good to have you here. So basically this is how we can set it up. And for the main, agents, we can, you know, connect different tools to it. So these tools are, the actions that we want the agents to carry out anytime we give it a prompt. So it could be that we want the agents to send an email. It could be that we want the agents to update our sales or inventory. You have the ability to, connect as much as to, in as much as within your business operations. So, it's just a way that you can use WhatsApp, to perform actions. So with your WhatsApp, you could tell it to send an email. With your WhatsApp, you could tell it to update your inventory list. So let's see this in action first. Once I trigger this, okay, then I go back to WhatsApp and say, thank you. Send an email to Peterborough49 at gmail.com about the benefits of. So once I send this, then let's go to our agents. We can see it's carrying out this action and it's going to trigger the email tool because we specified it to send an email. So you can see it has triggered the email tool and it has responded to me that it has sent an email. So let's confirm this if this is true. So I'll open up my email. Yes, I have an email. So it says benefit of, you know WhatsApp automation. So we could see how we could use, how we could create a chatbot on WhatsApp that is as intelligent as, that can handle our business operations just by sending it a message on WhatsApp.